Hey there, and welcome back to Your Channel Name. Today, we're diving into a question that's been popping up a lot. How much can you actually deposit at Ally Bank? Now, you might be thinking, isn't Ally Bank just for checking and savings accounts? Well, not entirely. They offer a variety of financial products, and today, we're going to focus on one of their most popular ones, their high-yield savings accounts. Understanding Ally Bank's high-yield savings accounts. Ally Bank has made a name for itself with its high-interest savings accounts. Unlike traditional brick-and-mortar banks, Ally doesn't have physical branches, which means they can pass on those overhead costs to you in the form of higher interest rates. So, let's get to the meat of the question. How much can you deposit into an Ally Bank high-yield savings account? Deposit limits. Well, the good news is there's no hard and fast limit on how much you can deposit. Ally doesn't have a maximum deposit amount. You can put in as much money as you want, and your funds will continue to earn interest. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, limits. While Ally doesn't have a maximum deposit amount, your deposits are FDIC insured up to $250,000 per depositor, per bank. This means that if Ally were to ever fail, the FDIC would insure your deposits up to that amount. Internal bank policies. While Ally doesn't have a specific maximum deposit limit, they might have internal policies in place to monitor large deposits. This is primarily for compliance reasons and to prevent money laundering. If you're planning to make a very large deposit, it's always a good idea to give them a heads up. Additional considerations. Now, while there's no maximum deposit amount, there are some other factors to consider. Interest rates. Remember, the primary reason to use a high-yield savings account is to earn interest. While Ally's rates are generally competitive, they can fluctuate. So, it's always a good idea to keep an eye on the current interest rates and compare them to other banks*. Minimum balance requirements. While Ally doesn't have a minimum opening balance, they might have a minimum balance requirement to earn the highest interest rate. This means that if your balance falls below a certain amount, you might earn a lower interest rate*. Fees. Ally Bank is known for its lack of fees, but it's always a good idea to double-check their fee schedule. There might be certain fees associated with specific transactions or services*. Conclusion. So, to answer the question, how much can you deposit at Ally Bank? The short answer is, there's no maximum limit. You can deposit as much as you want, up to the FDIC insurance limit. However, it's important to consider other factors like interest rates, minimum balance requirements, and fees. By understanding these factors, you can make an informed decision about whether Ally Bank's high-yield savings accounts are the right choice for you. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Ally Bank or high-yield savings accounts, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks.